Not sure if your jigsaw blade needs replacing? 6 signs that tell you it's done, and one rule that covers all of them. The 6 signs. So the first thing to look for is if you're pushing harder than usual. A sharp blade needs almost no forward pressure. If you're leaning into the tool, it's blunt. Second, the cut is wandering. Worn teeth deflect instead of cutting cleanly. Cuts drifting with no other changes, it's the blade. Now the next thing to look out for is burning or smoke. Blunt teeth drag and generate heat. Scorch marks or burning smell, stop immediately. You're damaging the material and the blade. Also look for visible tooth damage. Hold it in the light, rounded, missing or flattened teeth, done. No technique fixes a mechanically dead blade. Also look for rough or torn edges. Cut quality has dropped and your settings haven't changed. The blade has blunted. And if you're cutting and it hits a nail or screw, one solid impact can take out several teeth instantly. Inspect the blade after any unexpected hit. Now for that one rule. If you're questioning whether the blade needs replacing, it needs replacing. A new blade costs pennies. A ruined cut on expensive timber costs significantly more. Blade change takes 5 seconds, swap it, cut clean. Harder to push, wandering cuts, burning, visible damage, rough edges, hit a fixing, any one means a new blade. Thumbs up if it helped, subscribe for more, see you in the next one.